Flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you the DM.
I got this Mac 11, these niggas will never get me. Lord knows. I got a lot of homies in the dirt. Niggas spraying metal trying to take.
You call me for it? I don't give a fuck about Babylon. An accent?
What accent?
Oh yeah, they're brand new. Yeah, we throw all our matches away that we take back. You don't make them when we sell them. But this is all right here. If it's too soft or too firm for you, you can swap it out for that.
So, as you can see, the closet is a mess. Because when we don't have dressers or anything yet, so we moved and we just basically put everything in there. There's no organization. Bought some hangers and stuff. So I'm about to get cracking on it. So if you guys want to watch me organize the closet, keep on watching.
All this morning, we were chilling, getting out. Instead of money, I told you to get out. Didn't need a word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go ahead.
Hey guys, so I look fried, dyed, and laid to the side. But not for long. The glow up is pending, okay? My man's about to take me on a date. I'm gonna go to the movies, nothing, extra. We'll probably go out for food because I'm not gonna. I spent the whole day cleaning. Can't really get you off on this angle because this is charging at the moment, but spent the entire day cleaning. I cleaned both, cleaning, not just I cleaned. I didn't vacuum, but I'll probably vacuum tomorrow. However, I just wanted to show, or y'all to be able to get ready with me or whatever, so I guess that's what we're about to do. Let me turn the fan off. Ooh.
You wanna know if I was moving on without you? I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is I trying, not crying up late at night and I hurt? Is I put in mine and worked overtime and you never put in your work? And I'm going crazy with you. All this for we were chilling, getting out. Instead of none, I told you to get out. Didn't need a word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go ahead. I tried, and I gotta more, please let it just work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked away and I walked away and we should've stayed. All you had to do is say that I'm sorry. And I'm in love with you. Baby, I want this. Say, I want your taste, and I will be here all the way. Baby, all you have to do is say that I'm sorry. You wanna know if I was moving on without you? I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is I tried, and I cried, and I played the night, and I hurt. 'Cause I put in mine and worked overtime, and you never put in your work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked away, and I walked away, and we should've stayed. Just say that I'm sorry. And I'm in love with you. Baby, I want this. Say, I want your taste, and I will be here all the way. Baby, all you have to do is say that I'm sorry. What are you really saying? What are you really saying? All this for we were chilling, getting out. Instead of none, I told you to get out. Didn't need a word that I said.
Again. So this is going to be hold on. This is about to be the most here and there vlog ever. I will show you our couches, but like we don't have a bed yet. So the couch is our bed, but we covered it with a blanket. This is the color of them. The carpet matches the drapes. These aren't drapes. Anyways, so we saw It yesterday and it was so good. It wasn't like scary, but it was really good. It was funny. It was like a little suspenseful. It was good. So now, well, today, what did I do today? I went and got a TB test for my job. I went grocery shopping. I found myself in Home Goods. Yeah. What I get? I got a skillet pan from Home Goods. I got a fruit basket because we don't have one and we need one. I got a vegetable peeler because the one I have right now is, I got it in the dollar store. That's all I have to say. I mean, nothing from the dollar store is bad in my opinion, but some things like you just shouldn't buy from the dollar store, and I guess a vegetable peeler is one. Even though I got a knife from the dollar store before and it really wasn't bad. What else? Is that all I got from Home Goods? Yeah. Oh, and I got a utensil holder not like a fork and like the mixing spoon and whatever. I'll show you. I was thinking cute. And it's like the concrete material, and I feel like it goes with the vibes that I'm trying to create. So, where's the light? Non-existent. I know where it is, actually. I was just being lazy. So now I'm about to cook. I'm gonna make some curry shrimp. So, come cook with me. You know, there's gonna be vibes. I got music playing. I'm not gonna play the music on the tube, but you feel me? Okay.
'Cause I was hoping you would go. Without you, I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is it trying not crying up late at night and I hurt? 'Cause I put in mine and worked overtime and you never put in your work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked away and I walked away and we should have stayed. Just say that I'm sorry. Cause I was hoping you would go. Without you, I miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. To tell the truth, I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you, miss miss you, miss you, I miss you. Christmas Day, you said you had a ring, but you changed your mind. Still caught up in the streets. Boy, truth is hard to believe. Why are you really scared of me? Is it trying not crying up late at night and I hurt? 'Cause I put in money, worked overtime, and you never put in your work. And I'm going crazy with you. You got me so confused. You walked away and I walked away, and we should've stayed. Just say that I'm sorry.
Oh, it's hot, y'all. It's real hot. But right now, I'm leaving Target and I'm about to head to the car wash because my car's filthy, and I'm gonna go back home and handle what I need to handle. I'm a genius, right? And I forgot to get hangers, which was like the main thing. So then I came to Home Goods, got a whole bunch of hangers. I got extra hangers also. And now I'm finally on my way home. When I get there, let's hope I still have energy, because I woke up this morning feeling super energetic. I was like, yes, I'm ready. Let's go. So hopefully I still have energy.
I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. I can tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me.